Do you imagine a world where your nonprofit reach goes further than your current community impact? Do you have ongoing service opportunities and need to recruit volunteers? Does your nonprofit need one technology platform to track volunteers, create impact reports, and fundraise? We want to introduce you to My Volunteer, a new, innovative way to make civic engagement easier to perform and manage. My Volunteer is a virtual hub for nonprofits, an online platform to communicate with all your volunteers in one place, post volunteer opportunities, track who is signed up for opportunities, approve service hours, generate impact reports, fundraise, and manage donations. We've removed barriers between volunteers and organizations to bring the focus back to what matters, the community. Volunteers create a free profile to sign up for your service opportunities and donate directly to you. What will it cost you to use this innovative technology? It's free for nonprofit use. Volunteers will be able to search for your nonprofit as we market your nonprofit to volunteers at no cost to you. My Volunteer offers impact reporting for nonprofits who need to generate reports and data to justify grant funding and corporate sponsorship. We provide measurable data to use for future volunteer needs and event planning. We work with small and large organizations. At My Volunteer, we believe that a better world is possible when you can connect people who serve with causes they care about. Join My Volunteer today to leave behind the paperwork and outdated processes and partake in the volunteer movement of tomorrow. Sign up today at www.myvolunteer.com or contact us for more information at support@myvolunteer.com.